I wanted to do a video on all the plants that are in my yard that I did not purchase. And I'm going to start with my pineapple. And I believe I counted 24. These were all rooted from the top of pineapples that I cut. These potted lemongrass are all babies from this original plant that my friend gave me. And I have another lemongrass there. This was my first Moringa, and I bought the seeds for that, so that one does not count. All of these lemongrass, lemon basil, are all reseeded from an original lemongrass I grew from seed. All of these raspberries grew from one tiny little pot that I had planted back here. Actually, I didn't plant it, I just set it back here, and I was going to pot it, and it rooted. And all of these raspberries are from that original little pot. Here's a small banana that I have dug up. Lots of my raspberries have died. These are all guava trees that I planted from seeds from my original, actually from my second generation. So these would be third generation guavas. These are dotted horse mint that just seeded from an original plant that I had. And I think that's about it in the backyard. These are plants from ginger, and that one is garlic that I planted from, oh, I forgot one plant back here. Actually, two. These are sweet potatoes I did not plant. They are like weeds here in Florida, and they just came up. This is a mango that sprouted from a compost pot that I had. Then I have bananas out here that I have taken off my original banana tree. There's my bananas. And I guess you could say they grew from a tiny little plant. This is my second generation guava tree. It has done the best. This is a kiwi that sprouted from the same compost bin as the mango. All of these moringas are second generation. They came from seeds from the moringa I had in the backyard. This is a mulberry that a friend gave me a cutting, and I have 1, 2, and 3 trees from that original. Then I have more pineapple, 1 there, and then 5 over here. And those are all cut from tops. Then I had 1 elderberry plant, and all of these other elderberries have grown. They root underneath the ground. And then this is a beautyberry that just popped up in my yard. I did not plant it. And this guava, which is the smallest of the guavas I have, is a second generation from this original guava tree right there. And then I have one other mango right there that was from a seed that I planted. And that is probably at least half of the plants and trees I have are second generations or seeds from a used plant.